Why can't I find it when I need it? Ugh, where is that ruler? It's so messy.
Please don't eat me, avocado, please!
Huh? Sam, what's happening? Sammy, hey, Sammy, wake up!
No! Oh, Susie, a giant avocado is chasing me. So scary. I'm afraid of avocados now. I won't eat or loot at any avocados ever again, Sue. Never!
Oh, Sammy, don't worry. It was only a dream.
Huh, a dream. A nightmare.
Right, but you're awake now, so it's fine. How about making something that makes avocado look friendly?
Well, I guess I can try.
Great! Let's get the materials ready. Hi, all! Today, we're going to make an avocado stationery case. It will be a friendly-looking avocado to keep our pens and pencils organized. For starters, we need these items ready.
Not again!
Hey, what's wrong?
Sue, I think the avocado wants to eat me.
No, it's just an avocado model picture.
Are you sure?
100%. Look, I'm cutting it out. And friends, please always be careful using scissors.
Oh, thanks, Tibidaba.
Now, I'm gonna print this cutout on the cardboard. Can you help me get those cardboard strips over there, Sammy?
All right, Sue, I'm ready to help.
There we go. We got 2 prints of the model. We need to cut them out as well. Awesome! Let's put these cutouts aside for now.
Susie, I got the cardboard strips like you asked.
That was fast. Thank you. Now let's get the avocado foam paper pieces ready. Here we are. We have the avocado foam cutouts in green, pink, brown, and rainbow colors. Let's assemble them. Friends, be extremely careful when using the hot glue gun. It's hot, hot, hot. Remember that you can always ask an adult to help you. Now I'll stick the cardboard to the foam cutout. Make sure it's glued perfectly. Let's glue the other side with a pink foam cutout. This will be the inner side of the case.
This camera needs some proper cleaning. Let me wipe it. That's better.
You see, there are usually some layers of green shades inside an avocado. So we want to replicate it so it looks similar to the real one.
Woo! Avocado sushi's rolling.
Silly, Sammy. It does look a bit like a sushi roll, though. When you think of delicious food, avocados are not so scary, right?
Yep, you're absolutely right, Sue. Uh-oh, my stomach's growling. Be right back.
What? Oh, Sammy, can you wait a little longer? We're kind of busy here.
Hello? I want 2 double cheeseburgers, 2 chicken wings, 2 fries, and 2 jumbo sodas.
That's a big order for a little tiny slime.
Oh! It's for both of us. I will never let you starve, Susie.
Thanks, Sammy. You have always been a thoughtful partner.
Oh, and 2 bananas.
Now we need to fold the foam paper strip nice and easy, like this, so it doesn't create bubbles. We're done with the basic elements, so it's the assembling time. Attention, everyone. We've come to the tricky part. Remember to use sharp tools with extra care. This is where we'll make the cut. Here we go. Oh, and don't put a lot of pressure. We need it to be only a semi-cut, so to speak.
Sue, look! This is brilliant!
What do you mean? It's just a banana peel, Sam.
That's right! This is a perfect disguise. If I look like a fruit, maybe giant avocados won't eat me.
Oh, Sammy, you don't need a disguise. And there's no giant avocado trying to eat you. Come on.
Oh, well, be right back.
Wait, Sammy. Sam? Where are you going? He's at it again. Alrighty, we need to fold this strip bit by bit like this so it becomes flexible. Then we'll apply some hot glue on one of its sides. And combine these 2 pieces together, this way. Look, we don't need to glue these ends together. Just leave them as they are.
Super Fruit Man is ready to fight the evil giant fruits!
Stop that nonsense already.
But I have to do something to save the world from the evil giant fruits.
There is no such thing, Sammy. Didn't I explain that to you? They were only in your dream. They're not real. Better help me with the craft.
In that case, I have to be ready if they come back in my dreams.
Oh, Sammy, they will never come back. I'm sure.
Really, Sue? Promise?
Promise.
Okay, Okay.
Friends, have you ever had a nightmare like our scaredy cat Sammy? You shouldn't be afraid. It only happened in your dream. It's not real.
And you can talk to your friends and family so they can help you overcome it.
Maybe doing something fun like making crafts can help you forget about the nightmare too. Okay, let's go back to our avocado craft. It already looks like a case, doesn't it? We just need to glue these sides together. There you go. Pretty neat, huh? I need to make a cut again at this mark. You can repeat the cut to make sure it's cut all the way through, you know. Let's do the same on the back side. Now, check this out. This goes open and close like a lid. And there are a few compartments for the stationery. Now it's ready for some decorations.
Bruh, it looks like that avocado from my nightmare.
Hi, let's be friends.
Not funny, Sue.
Oh, come on, Sammy. We still have a lot to do to finish the case. Care to help?
Fine. What do I do with this?
We want this inner line to have the same color as the outer line. See?
Whoa, Sue, how did you come up with this genius idea? I love it. Done. Am I doing it right, Susie?
You're doing great, Sammy. Whee! Now, this strip is going to cover the case border so it looks neat and pretty. We also need the case to have a kind of lock, right? It will make sure the stationery is kept organized inside. This amazing Velcro strip will do that perfectly. Now, I'll glue the other strip to this part. There you go.
Oh, Sue, I already know what I want to keep in that case. Markers, highlighters, pens, colored pencils, a ruler.
I'm sure they will all fit. Now, what's an avocado without a seed, right? Let's make it right away. Give a little heat and shape a piece of foam paper so it looks like a little dome.
I have a feeling you're gonna need this, Sue.
Are you a mind reader? Awesome!
Nah, I guess I've lived with you for too long.
I guess so. So, we'll cover the filler with the brown dome, like this. Then seal it with some glue. Press a little bit to make sure it sticks well. It's so soft and bouncy, just like a cushion.
Or like a pillow. Perfect for a nap. Oh, gotta check the nap schedule.
Wait, don't you want to decorate our avocado?
Oh, my expertise is required. All right, let's make it shine. I assure you it will be a masterpiece. Voila!
Wow, would you just look at this color combination? Sammy the Seed does shine, and it looks so cute! How adorable!
I never disappoint you. It's a part of my natural charm.
True. A friendly personality is always likable. That's just what we want for this avocado look. Two little friendly eyes. And a sweet smile. Perfect! I think a little twinkle can bring life to the face. Do you agree, friends?
What about some pink shade, Sue? You know I love pink.
Absolutely. We can add a bit of pink on both cheeks. I also want to give a touch of white to balance all the colors. And here it is! Our amazing and cute avocado stationery case is ready. What do you think, Sammy?
Wow! Sue, I think it smiles at me. Oh, it's so cute. Ooh, hi, buddy. How about a quick nap this afternoon? Cool!
Guess what? Now you can bring all the stationery you want to keep in this case.
Oh yeah, baby, be right back. Got it, Sue! Stationery stash incoming!
Great! Now let's organize these into our new case, the colored pencils. Check! It's one compartment for one type of stationery. We can close the case by hooking the Velcro strip together and peeling it off when we need to open it. Your stationery is neat and safe, right, Sammy?
And let's not forget, that adorable avocado is a bonus.
So Sam, are you still afraid of avocados?
You know, Susie, I'm now free from fear of any kind. Making crafts really help.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm so tired now.
Nighty-night, sweet dreams. He's so peaceful when he sleeps. See you in the next craft adventure, friends.